this old 8-inch cast iron skillet. We found this beautiful frying pan at a Tianguiza flea market for only $4. I think it's made in China because it doesn't have an identifying mark. Despite being small, it weighs quite a bit, a sign that it is a good steel. Fortunately, this cast iron pan is not badly damaged. As you may have noticed, I'm only using a regular metal scouring pad to clean the pan. Let's clean the back a little. As you can see, the rust and dirty are coming off very easily. It looks pretty good, but there are some areas that still need to work. Let's move on. For me, it's a good sign when the soap foam generated during washing starts to come out white. we can remove the remaining rust. There are still a few small areas with dirt. Let's clean a little more. We're going to speed things up a bit by using 120 grit sandpaper for the problem areas with dirt. As you've probably already noticed, sandpaper gets damaged very easily when used to clean a cast iron pan. This is because the finish of molten metal is usually a little porous. Let's see what it looks like. The work is acceptable to me, although not perfect. But it won't affect the final result, I'm sure. Let's continue with the oil curing process. First, we'll wait for the pan to get really hot, and then we'll start spreading oil all over it. As you can see, this takes a little while. For me, it's already hot enough. Let's begin the curing. I'm using regular vegetable oil. The pan is small, so it will take too long. I added a good amount of oil to start the polymerization process. Remember that burning oil produces a lot of smoke, so turn on your kitchen extractor fan or ventilate the area very well. Safety comes first. If possible, I recommend using gloves when doing this process. It's really hot. A little more oil. This side is done. Let's work on the reverse. Do you notice the color difference in the metal that doesn't have the oil coating? Let's put a little oil on the back. We're almost done. Don't forget to lubricate the handle as well. This will prevent future rust in this area. The handle needs to be heated very well, so that the oil we rub on it burns off completely.